थिंग्स ऑन रिकॉर्ड देन वी डिसाइड, है ना? ऐसे काहे करो।
सप्लीमेंट्री लिस्ट आइटम 1 श्री गौतम क्षेत्रपाल श्री आनंद मोहन तिवारी।
लॉर्डशिप,
ये क्या है?
मतलब सिविल जज मैटर my lord,
अच्छा हाँ हाँ
my lord, but it's case on two parts my lord. The petitioner my lord, in the case serial number 1 and 3
अरे वो जजमेंट ले आओ,
it's second round
ऑल इंडिया
and serial number 2 is the fresh petition my
चेंबर
lord.
में रखा हुआ ऑल इंडिया एसोसिएशन वाला केस, अब वो वाला वो हमारे चेंबर हमारे उससे कहो अर्दलीस को वहीं रखा है, टेबल पे लेके आओ।
The case it's
2 and
there,
3 फ्रेश है।
my lord.
अच्छा और ये क्या है? 1 क्या है?
Serial number 1 they earlier approached to the court, but my lord what had happened in this case my lord, earlier my lord while they
आप लोग पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूटर है ना
जी
और वो लोग तो
वो स्टूडेंट्स,
स्टूडेंट्स हैं।
but my lord there is no difference my lord. It would be my one of the respectful submission before this honorable court because of
आपकी
the
प्रेयर क्या है भाई?
my lord to declare ultra virus of 24/7/2000
20 how
Sir,
can
5/7/2024
how can this rule be declared ultra
sir
virus?
on
आप बताइए, जब
Sir.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट आ गया
Sir.
तो उसके बाद ये प्रेयर आपकी फीजिबल है?
Sir,
आप बताइए।
sir I am on threefold but just my lord I am alone, but the notification was published on 19
the
sir just
court-
I will after 2 minutes I will on that,
जी जी बताएं।
but the on 19/1/2024 the notification was published.
जी
Thereafter, on 5/7/2020, the dates are very much important, my lord. On 5/7/2024, there was a first amendment, my lord. But the 5/7/24 amendment is at page number 34.
पेज नंबर
34 of the petition.
पेज नंबर 30 पेज नंबर 34 5
35
जुलाई का है ना?
My lord, 35 is this is the first amendment,
हाँ।
whereby, my lord, the degree plus enrollment has been added.
ये
Prior to that,
हाँ।
prior to this 5/7/2020,
डिग्री रही हो।
only the degree was, my
हाँ
lord.
यही अमेंडमेंट है। हाँ ठीक है।
My lord.
ठीक है।
Thereafter, my lord, on 23/12/2024, the advertisement has been published.
यस राइट।
Then, these petitioners were not allowed to fill up their forms.
हाँ सही है एकदम।
Therefore, my lord, the writ petitions were filed, and my lord was kind enough to
हाँ,
pass an
public कर
interim
दिया।
order.
ठीक है।
Accordingly, on 21 February 2025, the amendment has been, second amendment was brought.
हाँ ठीक है।
My lord, thereafter, my lord, this now, my lord, the PSC is not issuing the admit card. Meantime, in pursuance of this, I have been fill up my form, and now they are not issuing the
आपको
admit
फिलअप
card.
करा दिया गया, कोई
जी।
दिक्कत नहीं वहां तक। कोई इस बीच जो है मैटर ट्रेवल कर गया सुप्रीम
मतलब-
कोर्ट। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अपने मैटर को सब्जुडिस कर लिया और
मतलब-
उसके बाद जो लास्ट ऑर्डर पास हुआ है
मतलब-
जो पैरा नंबर
90
90 में है, 90 में है, अब वो
Before
90 को आप
90,
पढ़
मतलब
लीजिए।
paragraph
जो
60
रूल एग्जिस्ट कर रहा था उसमें वो प्रिवेल होगा।
मतलब-
तो आपको तो वी वर
मतलब
अलाउइंग यू,
this is-
बट आफ्टर
this is
द
the correct-
ऑर्डर ऑफ द
this is
एपेक्स
only
कोर्ट
the-
पेज नंबर 90 पैरा 90 में उन्होंने स्पेसिफिक लिख दिया है।
मतलब-
तो उसके बाद फिर बचता क्या है?
नहीं, before that, para 60 is also important.
ऐसा है, आज ये ऑर्डर पास
Sir-
कर रहे हैं। इफ यू वांट यू
Sir-
कैन
sir-
रिकॉर्ड
sir-
टू लॉ,
sir,
दैट इज
may-
ऑल।
sir, I
बिकॉज़
may-
आफ्टर
just, Lordship-
our interference in this
Lordship,
matter,
why I am saying-
after the passing of the order of the apex court, it is not sustained.
No, Lordship,
It
why?
cannot be done.
My lord, what my respectful submission only, my lord. My lord, before this judgment, my lord, there is the judgment that is of the year 2002. 2002 judgment says there is no necessity.
दीपक अग्रवाल का ना?
No, my lord, Deepak Agarwal is another 2000 All India Judges case 2002. My respectful submission, my lord, the law.
देखिए
मतलब-
आप 2002 जो जजमेंट ऑल इंडिया एसोसिएशन का आया, ये बहुत पुराना है।
Sir-
इसमें एड एंड सब्सट्रैक्ट टाइम टू टाइम अकॉर्डिंग टू द सर्कमस्टेंसेस अप एंड डाउन्स हुए हैं। लेकिन लास्ट ऑर्डर जो पास हुआ है 20 मई 2025 का, आफ्टर पैरा नंबर 90, with all respect, then nothing
Sir-
remains
sir,
in your
the-
favor.
sir,
The rule
the-
which was existed
Lordship-
on such and such on the date of the notification, and the rule was degree plus advocate's registration.
Sir,
That is all.
Sir, this is my respectful submission that before 90, paragraph number
Sir, don't
89.
waste time over here.
Lordship,
You-
only my lord.
No,
my-
sorry.
The fate of the students and
it will amount to
my lord, no, my lord, there would be
dilute the order of the Supreme
there-
Court. How can we do so?
my lord,
Observation
the-
of my lord earlier, page number 64.
भाई हम लोग ने तो खुद ही पहले कर दिया था, फिर दोबारा भी एक हम लोग ने अमेंडमेंट किया। लेकिन जब after the passing of the Supreme Court's order and the Supreme Court says so that in para पैरा नंबर 90
89 का रोमन 9 देख लें सर,
हैं?
89 का रोमन 9 देख लें सर।
कुछ नहीं, वो सब तो प्रमोशन मोशन की बात
नहीं
है।
नहीं, 89 का
आप 90 आइए, क्लियर करा है, देखिए, जस्ट रीड
सर,
इट
90 के just पहले दो।
नहीं, यू प्लीज रीड इट।
Sir.
नीडलेस टू स्टेट्स,
needless to all such recruitment process which have to be kept in abeyance in view of the pendency of the present process shall proceed in accordance with the rules which were applicable on the date of advertisement slash notification.
हाँ, तो-
now roman 2 उसी के ऊपर है सर, वो भी देख लें।
वो सब हम कुछ नहीं
Sir,
देख
एक
पाएंगे।
मिनट,
देखिए,
एक- sir,
we
just I will
we
take-
don't want to interpret of the order of the Supreme Court. We
But
are
I am
not in a
not-
position,
but-
we are not
but
in
I-
a
I'm sorry,
competent to do so.
it is
That
not
is
my
all.
intention to
No, no, no,
My lord,
no.
my-
You should,
my submission is-
Mr. You being the officer of the court,
my lord,
you should not interpret the order of the apex court in your
I'm
own
not saying
manner.
my lord, the
That
order
is what you are trying to interpret.
No, my lord,
But
I'm-
when after this so much clarification,
My lord.
the honorable apex court has observed
My lord,
that what was the route.
this will apply
which was
on next
applicable,
recruitment.
then-
My lord, roman 9 says it would apply on the next recruitment.
नहीं भैया,
मतलब
sorry.
एक
आप
बार-
बताइए सर, आपका बताइए, सेम बताइए, जल्दी बताइए। आप तो इनसे भी गड़बड़ हैं? हो गया, मेंशन एक्सेप्टेड, पिटीशन डिसमिस्ड, ठीक हो गया।
My lord,
नहीं,
small submission. My lord, just a minute submission.
हाँ, बता दीजिए।
My lord, the Honorable All India Judges case, my lord, para 60, 61 and 87 clearly told the enrollment will not serve the purpose. It will
Sir, you
frustrate.
have read this, what we are being repeatedly again and again saying, that after para number 90, there is no scope left, except that the rules which were existing on the date of advertisement and notification, that will prevail, and the UPSC has been issuing admit card in persons of the order of the apex court. Though we had allowed you to क्या कहते हैं, fill up the forms, but after the passing of this order, we were already in your favor. But after the judgment of the apex court, we cannot
Lordship,
help
one
you
small
out
submission.
here.
This
We
would
cannot
apply
help
on
you
the
out.
next recruitment, but this is the observation in the Supreme Court judgment.
My lordship,
Sir,
one last
हम
submission.
लोग
My
आज
lordship,
order
one
कर
last
रहे हैं
submission.
ना?
My
आज
lordship,
order
one last
कर रहे हैं।
submission, my lordship.
हाँ, बताइए,
Date of notification is 19 January 2024. On that day, I was eligible, my lord. Date of notification 19 January 2024.
after this order.
Yes, my lord. Even after that order,
नहीं,
date of
notification
notification
आपका देखिए
P1,
ना।
annexure P1, my lord.
No, sorry, sir.
My lord, annexure P1 Urvashi Kaur.
You come, नहीं, पहला जो notification है, उसको देखिए ना, वो
Yes,
subsequent
yes,
वाला तो वो हो जाएगा।
Yes, my lord. Para 90 says, as per the date of notification date is, my lord, 19 January 2024. On that day, the amendment was not in force. On that day, my lord,
नहीं,
only
नहीं,
law
ऐसा
graduates
कैसे-
was eligible to apply for the civil. Please, my lord, annexure P1.
ये
my lord.
आइए, जस्ट नोटिफिकेशन आ जाइए, प्लीज आइए। 5 जुलाई 2024 को देखिए क्या है, देखिए 5 जुलाई 24।
Before
5
that-
जुलाई 24 वाला नोटिफिकेशन में तो
Sir,
recognize
notification, the posts are notified on 19 January
भाई,
2000,
आपका जो अमेंडमेंट नोटिफाई वो 5 जुलाई 2024 का
19 जनवरी 2024 का
है।
है।
कब का है? सॉरी, एक सेकंड दिखाइए, कहाँ?
Your lordship, prior to that, notification was already issued.
एक सेकंड
In para 90, my lordships have told, go as per the notification advertisement.
एक सेकंड, जस्ट a minute।
Sure, ma'am.
एक सेकंड
Oblige.
जस्ट जो इन्होंने एक चार्ट बनाया था मिस्टर
मैंने बताया था,
खेत्रपाल
first
साहब ने,
chart,
आपने
91
चार्ट बनाया है क्या?
Yes, my lord. Urvashi Kaur, my lord, please have annexure P1. Urvashi.
जस्ट एक चार्ट इन्होंने बनाया था।
5 जुलाई के बेस पे है वो।
Annexure P1 is the document, page number 27.
एक सेकंड खेत्रपाल साहब, ये आपने जो नोट देखिए, ये देखिए जरा सा इसमें आइए खेत्रपाल साहब, आप वाली पिटीशन में आपने जो डेट लिस्ट एंड डेट एंड इवेंट्स बनाया है, देखिए 5/7/24
इसमें नहीं है
को
सर,
ये अमेंडमेंट हुआ था।
Lordship,
ठीक है
इसमें
ना?
नहीं, in second petition I have filed the document annexure P1.
सेकंड पिटीशन,
My lordship, in my case, my lordship, in my
एक
case,
सेकंड इन लोगों को सुन ले, फिर आपको आराम सुन लेते हैं, कोई इशू दिक्कत
my lordship,
नहीं
in
नहीं।
my,
पहले तो जरा खेत्रपाल साहब, जो आपने डेट एंड इवेंट्स आपने बनाया, जो इन्होंने बनाया, अलग अलग है क्या?
एक अलग है सर,
अच्छा, तो आपका तो देखिए, आपने बोला 5/7/24, ठीक है ना? फिर उसके बाद 23/12/24 को एडवर्टाइजमेंट आ गया, 23/12/24 को, ठीक है ना? फिर
उसके पहले
ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशंस आपने रिलीज कराई वैकेंसीज के लिए दिसंबर को, और फिर जी
19 जनवरी 2024
19 जनवरी 2024 कहाँ है?
नोटिफिकेशन सेकंड
my
पिटीशन
lordship,
मतलब
second and
P1
third petition. P1, annexure P1, my lord,
एक
Urvashi
सेकंड,
Kaur.
एक सेकंड, just a minute। किसका नाम? उर्वशी कौर। हाँ।
सुधांशु सैनिक एंड उर्वशी कौर।
अच्छा, उसमें आपने नहीं है, एक सेकंड बोलिए,
Annexure P1
एक सेकंड, जस्ट अच्छा 19 जनवरी है, हाँ। ये क्या 57 पोस्ट, ये पहले का है?
Date of notification is prior, my lord.
नहीं नहीं, ये 19/1/24 वाला तो सब्स्टिट्यूट हुआ।
Notification of vacancies.
अच्छा, राइट, हाँ।
That was not
My lordship, in para 90 it is written advertisement slash notification, my lord.
Process started from the date of advertisement, my lord.
Para 90 may again be seen,
My
lordship.
lordship,
Para 90 of the Supreme Court's judgment, which says notification stroke advertisement. So the date of advertisement is important.
तो ये डेट ऑफ एडवर्टीजमेंट तो उस तारीख का है
दिसंबर 2024.
December, 23 December
My lordship,
2024.
notification was already,
23/12 को तो
my lordship, notification is already in force, my lord. As per Malik Mazhar case, my lordship, the recruitment
ज्यादा
process.
ना पढ़ो
My lordship, I'm seriously, my lord, on behalf of all the petitioners, my lord, this is in clear violation of all India judges.
Sir, we are passing the order. You can take recourse
My
to law
lordship,
if you are aggrieved.
everyone is dependent on my lordship. The notification
ये
was
same
issued
is
before the
that-
amendment, my lord.
देखो,
And
सही
my
है,
lordship,
what they are pointing out, जो आप इन 19 जनवरी वाली बात कर रहे हैं वो वैकेंसीज के लिए
Vacancies का है। And the
वैकेंसी
recruitment
उसमें कोई
process-
वो थोड़ी ना था
Para 90.
Para 90 may be seen, lordship. Para 90 of Supreme Court's order.
90 तो पढ़ के
Yes,
चार बार तो
उसमें
बता चुका है
What is notification stroke
हाँ तो
advertisement?
एडमिटेडली नोटिफिकेशन
In the January, it was issued in the January and
they are
advertisement
admitting,
was
my lord, notification is in January.
My lord, para 90 says that it is a recruitment process which is kept in abeyance. The recruitment process would start from the date of advertisement, not the date of notification.
No,
of
my lord, it is
vacancies.
advertisement slash notification with humble submissions, my lord. It is advert.
एक सेकंड
Sure, ma'am.
लोग इतना कंफ्यूज करते हैं हम लोग नहीं हिमालय नहीं सुधांशु नहीं एक तो उर्वशी वाला है ना सुधांशु वाला कौन है उसमें नहीं इसमें देखो ना ये उर्वशी कौर वाला देखिए ये जो ये बहस कर रहे हैं मिस्टर पहले तो ये देखो ना सेम ही चीज़ है 19(1) वाला ना तो 98 और ये देखिए जो खेत्रपाल साहब वाला है 5/7/24 का अमेंडमेंट आ गया ठीक है ना और ये जो है नोटिफिकेशन 19/1/24 का नोटिफिकेशन फॉर द रिक्रूटमेंट लिखा है इन्होंने 57 पोस्ट ऑफ सिविल जज ये 19 जनवरी का है तो उस समय तो नोटिफाइंग द पोस्ट था
Yes.
और फिर 5/7 को नोटिफिकेशन हुआ
Notification आया।
But
है ना?
notification, my lord, was
उस
before.
समय तो नहीं था आपका तो उन्होंने नोटिफाई किया था सिर्फ पोस्ट नोटिफाई किया
Yes, my lord. My lordship have held advertisement slash notification. One small additional submission, my lord. Page number 31 of All India Judges. My lord, one last submission, my
हाँ,
lord.
बताओ।
Page number 31 of All India Judges, paragraph 87. They have mandated enrollment as an advocate. My lordships have clearly told merely provisional certificate of enrollment will not serve any purpose, my lord. And they are still mandating me to get an enrollment, my lord.
देखो,
It is in violation of my lord.
इतना नहीं
My lordship, my lord have also held in 22nd January 2025, my lord, that only telling the candidates to have enrollment will not make any difference, my lord.
all that thing
My lordship, they are interpreting against the interest of students, my lord. Everyone is dependent upon you, my lord. Notification was 19 January.
We know everyone is interpreting, but we have been clear
My
in
lord,
our
they are
mind.
interpreting against you, my
नहीं
lord.
नहीं सर नहीं
One Malik Mazhar, my lord. Malik Mazhar
लेकिन
case.
मलिक मजहर और का वो अपनी जगह है वो तो वैकेंसीज को फिल करने वाली बात
Yes,
है
my lord,
समझे
from
ना?
in that sub.
लेकिन ये जो सेक्शन आपका पैरा 90 है डियर ना
Yes, my lord.
एकदम क्लियर है एकदम क्लियर है
Yes, my lord. Even I am there. It is very clear advertisement slash notification.
But
And
वो
from
आप
Malik,
वो जनवरी वाला नोटिफिकेशन मत मानिए
my lord,
आप
my lord, the heading itself is notification, my lord.
ठीक 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 कितने साल की वकालत है
3 years.
3 years ना तो अभी और बस, ठीक है ना चलो
My respectful submission is only to the
we
effect-
were ready to help you out dear
My lord,
हम लोग तो खुद ही एवेन्यू
my lord-
थोड़ा सा आप लोग के लिए ब्रॉडर वो कर रहे थे बट आफ्टर
lord,
द जजमेंट
what
ऑफ
my-
द एपेक्स कोर्ट
my lord,
we
what my-
cannot interpret the order of the apex court in the manner in which you want to interpret it it is
One last
clear
submission, my lord, one last submission. Why I was mentioning Malik Mazhar, my lord? Because if you'll see Malik Mazhar, point number D for the reference of civil judges, from notification, my lordships have held the recruitment process is starting. Point number 1 is notification. They have issued notification on 19 January, my lord. Same thing will happen just like Madhya Pradesh civil judge, my lord. It will actually hamper the entire process, my lord.
चलिए,
Please, my lord, please consider.
we are passing the order if you want
मतलब
you
the-
have
At
to
least
take
issue
it.
admit us to
आपको
everyone,
क्या
my
कहना
lord.
आप बता दीजिए आप एक बार क्लियर कर दीजिए प्लीज हाँ मतलब वी आर क्लियर इन आवर माइंड बट जस्ट दे हैव स्पोकन अ लॉट you people should be given
So far
opportunity
the word notification as occurred in para 90 is concerned, my lord.
हाँ.
It relates with the qualification
yes that-
because the ratio of the judgment with relates to the qualification, my lord. That's why recruitment oblique notification relates with the qualification that has been prescribed by the amendment dated 5th of July 2000.
that is what
my lord, the
चलिए।
one part, my lord,
आप तो दोनों मेहुल दोनों में आप थे ना मेहुल गर्ग
My
कुमार
lord.
आप 1 और 3 में थे ना 2 में तो ये थे ना
My lord.
ठीक है.
My lord, at least an interim period that
Law
they will allow the admit card. At least they will issue the admit
No,
card.
dear, sorry, dear.
They are
Sorry,
right
dear.
My lord, the, my lord,
Bhai,
my lord,
we were
my lord,
there to help you out, dear.
lord, my
But
respect.
after the order
my
of
lord,
the
only
apex
my,
court is.
my one
Lord,
part, my
there-
lord, may I appreciate only one last part, my lord. But that this judgment, my lord, before 24/7/2024, my lord, which is the date of notification of the or advertisement of the civil judge examination, my lord. Prior to that, my lord, the judgment which was under Article 141 is under in force, my lord. That is the 2002 judgment. So, my lord, I will challenge that part of the that the addition. There was no occasion for the government to bring the part of the enrollment, my lord. Therefore, my lord, I filed this petition, my lord.
ठीक, ठीक,
My lord.
चलिए.
But after the All India Judges Association judgment, those would not be.
वो आएगा ही नहीं, dear. वो तो अब वो बेचारे क्या कहेंगे.
And their right accrued after the interim order from this court, and
Yes,
my lord
yes,
has vacated
otherwise
that
तो वो
interim
खत्म ही
order.
था.
Yes, my lord.
That dismiss. That.
My lord.
Thank you. Thank you.
My lord, I am obliged.
List 3 final hearing. Item 1, Madam Smita Jha.